Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, welcome. I'm Femke and in today's video I'm going to unbox and swatch 7 beautiful glittery gel polishes that Madam Glam was so kind to send out to me. I'm really happy with all of these colors. This is from an older collection from somewhere last year. I think it was like November or maybe even earlier in 2019, but I was really happy to receive them nonetheless. Because you guys know me, I love my glitters and I am a big Madam Glam fan as well. So here I'm just going to unbox all of the colors, and as you can see there are some like small white cat hairs on these polish bottles already, and that is because I couldn't wait to actually open the box and take a quick sneak peek, and my cats are always really curious, so they already dove into the box together with me while I took my little sneak peek. So yeah, that's why if you see some like white or black cat hairs, that's just because of my two like furry babies getting their faces into everything. But yeah, I really love them to death nonetheless, but yeah, that's just something I wanted to mention. But the first one is called Eco Vibes. It is such a beautiful one. I have already worn this in a previous design, but I didn't really make a video of it because it was just something I really wanted to put on real quick. And I actually combined this as like a glitter gradient effect on top of a baby pink color, which was really cute. If you follow me on Instagram, which is at femketjeNL, I'm sure you're able to see some of the pictures that I took of this design, or maybe you already saw some pictures of me wearing it in some of my story photos and posts. So yeah, don't be shy to actually like send me a DM on Instagram or something like that. I'm always up for a little talk, and especially this time like in the world, things are going crazy, you know what I mean. I don't want to spend like too much like time or like attention to it, because we all know what's going on right now and it's not a good thing, and I just want to keep everything a happy and safe place. And that's why, yeah, you can just always send me a DM on Instagram whenever you feel like talking or something, and I will do my best to actually reply to you guys. So yeah, this is 2 coats of Eco Vibes with a layer of no wipe top coat as well. It's a really beautiful like glittery silver gel polish. Really gorgeous, in a clear base, of course. The next one is called Natural Beauty, and this one is a glitter mix. Some of these gel polishes that I received are like pure glitter mixes in a clear gel, which I totally love. They are great to use as a topper or to like use for a glitter gradient or something like that. I really love that. And this one, it was a little bit out of focus. I'm sorry about that. My camera was like struggling. He didn't know what to focus on, whether it was my background or the practice nail or my own fingers. But back to the polish. This one is gorgeous. There are a lot of like bigger, chunkier, like dark pink, kind of like magenta kind of glitters, but also a lot of smaller like silver holographic ones. I think it's a very festive color and really easy to combine with a lot of pinks and reds and like silver colors as well. So that is pretty nice. Of course, you can make this completely opaque on your own nails with like 2 or maybe 3 coats. And of course you have to cure each layer for 30 seconds when you use Madam Glam products. I really love that. It's like really quick. Like a lot of the brands have like a 1-minute curing time in LED, but Madam Glam only has 30 seconds, which makes the whole process way shorter and way quicker. But the next one is called EcoChic Red or EcoChic, I don't know. But this one turned out on camera to be a little bit more on the pinkish side, like a very dark magenta, but in real life it was a little bit more red, so I don't know what was happening here. Maybe it was like my new lighting, but yeah, it's a little bit more red in person than it came across on camera, but it really is a nice one. This one has like a kind of like a tinted jelly base as like a base for the glitters. So you have a little bit of color from that base, but the glitters are really gorgeous. It's all just like red glitter in different sizes. And I'm sorry, again, my camera had a little bit of like issues focusing on this, and I can totally see why, but just look at how gorgeous it is out of focus as well. Like, it's a beaut. It's really a beautiful color. But again, it is a little bit more pink on camera than it is in real life. This color would be perfect for Christmas, actually. I think it's a really beautiful one. And yeah, I hope it does come across a little bit more red on your screens than it does for me at the moment. But it is a beaut, and I really love the fact that it has a tinted base. So it is like a little bit more easier to get fully opaque on the natural nails if you apply it on your natural nails, of course, and you will only need 2 layers. The next one is called Ethical and Golden, and this one just screams fall to me. It's a beautiful like coppery, bronzy and gold kind of glittery gel polish. I think this one would be beautiful to combine with kind of like a rose gold kind of color as well. I think that would be beautiful because it has different tones of gold and copper and a little bit of like bronze in there. I think you can combine it and just match it really easily with a lot of different like rose gold, maybe even champagne kind of colors. But this one has kind of like a tinted base as well. I'd say it's more of like a brownish bronze kind of base color, and there are a lot of golden glitters in there, I'd say, and a little bit of bronze glitters as well in different shapes and sizes, which is something that I really love because this polish is, because of the tinted base, a little bit more fast opaque than the others with the clear base. And I also really love the fact that there are different sizes of glitter in here, which makes it a really fun and full of dimension kind of color. The next one is called That's the Spirit, and this one is just like a party in a bottle, I'd say. It actually kind of reminds me of those confetti poppers, if you know what I mean. I'm not quite sure if they called confetti poppers or something in English, but you have those like big cannon kind of thing. In Dutch they're called like a confetti cannon actually. But yeah, this one really reminds me of confetti, and I just think it's really cute and very festive as well. Whether you're going to wear this maybe even for Easter, I think that would be really cute to just apply this on top of an orange or maybe a pink or a white even. Also, this one has a little bit of a hint of color to the base as well, a little bit of like a muted orange kind of tone. So I think this polish would be beautiful to combine with any orange kind of base, or even in a design with some orange colors. But now, what's on my hands at the moment? I actually had this lovely butterfly like holographic white and silver design. I had this on my nails for like 2 weeks while recording this. Unfortunately, my husband deleted the footage like by accident, so I can't make a video about it. I really wanted to, but I didn't. But on my other hand, I have that galaxy inspired design, which is already recorded and up at my channel. So if you want to see more about that, just check it out after you finished watching this video. But this color was called That's the Spirit. It's very festive. I think it's just really cute to wear all year round, especially during holiday seasons. The next one is called Make a Difference, and I think that this one is one of my favorites from the 7 colors that I received. It is so gorgeous. This is like a true magenta pinkish kind of glittery polish, and there was a little bristle like from the brush sticking up. Sometimes that happens. A lot of the times you can just stick it back into the bottle and it will just readjust itself, but if you have like a bristle that doesn't want to go back in place, you can just take a small scissors or pair of scissors and just snap that little bristle off so it's not in the way anymore. But yeah, back to this gel polish. Just look at that. There are so many fine glitters in this one as well, which I really love. It gives a more opaque, more density to the gel polish, so it is actually pretty much opaque in just 2 coats. And I just love the color of this. It is a one-toned glitter gel, and it has a slight hint of color again to the base, which is something that I really like as well. Again, it really helps with getting it really opaque without without having to use like a creamy color of gel underneath this one. But this color, yeah, I love this. This just screams my name, and I actually can't wait to use this combined with a similar creamy kind of color. Maybe do like a glittery marble or something like that. I really want to do something like that. And then another one that I got is called Organic Lavender. This one is really beautiful as well. It is like a medium, kind of like a light pink to medium glitter polish. It has mostly pink glitters in different sizes mostly, but also some like smaller glitter, which is kind of holographic. I'm not quite sure if all of the smaller glitters are holographic, but I do feel like they have kind of like an holographic shine to them. Some have a little bit of like a golden greeny kind of sheen, so I'm not sure if all of the glitters are a little bit holographic, like all of the non-pink glitters, I have to say, because the pink glitters are just pink glitters and they're really beautiful, and there's nothing wrong with pink glitter in my opinion. Like, I love using glitter gel polishes or glitter polishes for that matter. That doesn't really matter. I think that glitter can make any design look beautiful, so definitely don't be scared to use some glitter every now and then if you want to spice up your manicure. But these were already the 7 colors that Madam Glam was so kind enough to send out to me. I really love them. They're each $19.95, but if you are a VIP member, you always have 50% discount. But you can also use my discount code, which is femketje30, to get a 30% discount off of your own purchase. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. I hope you're all staying safe and sound and just healthy, you know. That's really important as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.